Maths 2, chapter number 1, Similarity. Let us find the ratio of areas of two triangles. This is triangle ABC and this is triangle PQR. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR should be equal to 1/2 into base into height upon 1/2 into base into height. We know that area of triangle is always equal to 1/2 into base into height. For triangle ABC, base is BC and height is AD. For triangle PQR, see here, base is QR and height is PS. 1/2 will get cancelled. It is equal to then BC into AD upon QR into PC. That is, area upon area is equal to base into height upon base into height of the corresponding triangles. Hence, we can conclude that the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of products of their bases and corresponding heights. Now, first condition, we have to get the result as if the heights are equal, then a ratio of the areas should be equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. We will assume that for these two triangles, height is H. Area triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 into base into height. What is the base here? BC and height is H. For area triangle PQR, 1/2 into what is base? Base is QR and height is H. As height is same, HH will get cancelled. 1/2 will also get cancelled. BC upon QR. That means area upon area is equal to base upon base whenever height is equal. Hence, we can conclude that the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. That is, area upon area is equal to base upon base of the corresponding triangles if heights are equal. Now, second condition, that if bases are equal, then area upon area should be equal to height upon height of the corresponding triangles. This is the homework for you. You have to prove this. Exercise 1.1. Base of a triangles and base and height of the triangle is given. For the two triangles we have base and height. Then we want to get the value of their ratios. Area upon area, that is A1 upon A2 equal to 1/2 into base into height upon 1/2 into base into height. 1/2 will get cancelled. So it will remain as base into height upon base into height. Base and height of the first triangles are given as 9 into 5, 9 and 5. And base and height of the second triangles are given as 10 and 6. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So in the numerator it will be 3 1s are 3, 2 2s are 4 in the denominator. So 3/4 is the ratio of the areas of two triangles. Now, in a second question, they have asked area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. We want to get this value. We can clearly see that for both the triangles, AB is the common base. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB should be equal to heights of the triangle. Height of first triangle is BC and height of the second triangle is AD. That is 4 upon 8. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Easily we can say that area upon area is equal to height upon height if bases are equal or base is common. Here base AB is common and therefore areas are proportional to heights. Now, question number 3. Here the values of RQ and PS. RQ is the base of the first triangle PQR, and PS is the height of the same triangle PQR. PR PR is equal to 12 given, that is a base. We can treat it as a base and QT as the height. We want QT, no? Then we can treat PR as a base and QT as a height. Similarly, for the same triangle, we can have this RQ as a base and PS as a height. So we will equate the area of same triangle by taking QR as a base and taking PR as a base. So area of triangle PQR is 1/2 into base into height. Base, if we take RQ, then height should be PS. For same triangle PQR, if we are taking base PR, then height should be QT. Substituting the values, 6 into 6 equal to 12 into QT. Into 12 will become upon 12. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So QT equal to 3. Now question number 4 is, we want to find out ratios of areas of triangle ABC and BCD. ABC and BCD. As two triangles are situated between two parallel lines AD and BC, their corresponding heights should be equal, because we know that between two parallel lines the perpendicular distance is always equal. That means height AD, which is given, and height DT, which we have drawn here, that heights of both the triangles should be equal. This AP height is drawn on base BC for triangle ABC, and this DT height is drawn on base BC of triangle BCD. For both the triangles, height is equal drawn on common base BC. As base is equal, heights are also equal. Therefore, the areas of triangle ABC and triangle BCD are also equal. As areas are equal, their ratio is 1:1. See here, as the two triangles are situated between two parallel lines, altitudes drawn on common base BC is also equal. AP and this DT, it should be AP and DT. Okay, now question number 5. Roman 1 is area triangle PQB upon area triangle PBC. For both the triangles PQB and PBC, the height PQ is common. As height is common, the ratios of triangles should be proportionate to corresponding bases. That is, base of the triangle PQB is BQ and base of triangle PBC is BC. So answer should be BQ upon BC. Area upon area is equal to base upon base if height is common or height is equal. See here, for both the triangles, segment PQ is common height, and therefore area upon area is equal to base upon base, because we know that if height is equal or height is common, then areas are proportionate to bases. Roman 2, area triangle PBC upon area triangle ABC. See, area triangle PBC upon area triangle ABC. For both the triangles, BC is the base. For PBC also, BC is the base. For ABC also, BC is the base. And therefore, ratio of the areas should be equal to ratio of their corresponding heights. That means PQ upon AD. See here, PQ upon AD. Roman 3, area triangle ABC upon area triangle ADC. See here, ABC, the greatest triangle, and ADC. For ABC and this ADC, segment AD is the common height, and therefore the ratios of triangle ABC and triangle ADC should be equal to ratio of their corresponding bases, that is sec BC upon DC, length BC upon length DC. See here, as height is common, area upon area should be equal to base upon base. What is the base of triangle ABC here? It is BC, and for ADC the base is DC. So therefore area upon area is equal to BC upon DC. Area upon area is always equal to base upon base if the height is common or height is equal. Okay. Now Roman 4, area triangle ADC upon area triangle PQC. For triangle ADC and for triangle PQC, neither the base nor the height is common or equal. Therefore, we can use the formula 1/2 base into height upon 1/2 base into height. For ADC, DC is the base and AD is the height. And for PQC, QC is the base and PQ is the height. 1/2 can get cancelled. So DC into AD upon QC into PQ is the ratio of area triangle ADC and area triangle PQC. Next is basic proportionality theorem. If a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersect the remaining sides into distinct points. See here, line PQ is parallel to BC and it intersects segment AB and segment AC in two distinct points, point P and point Q. This is the given part. Then the line divides the sides, other sides actually, in the same proportion. This is one of the side. The given line is parallel to this one side. Then other remaining sides have equal proportions, that AP upon PB should be equal to AQ upon QC. If this line is parallel to one of the sides, then the line divides the other two sides in equal proportion. That means AP upon PB should be equal to AQ upon QC. This is the way how to prove. Now construction, we have to make that. We should draw this segment PC and PQ. Now first of all, area triangle APQ upon area triangle PQV. APQ upon area triangle PQV. For both the triangles, this altitude drawn from this common vertex Q on the collinear basis is equal. That means it should be AP upon PB. The ratio of the area should be equal to AP upon PB because height is common. Then areas are proportional to their corresponding bases. Same thing for area triangle APQ and area triangle PQC. AQ upon QC is a ratio because altitude drawn from common vertex P on the collinear basis should be equal. For getting the concept of this common height, let us see here. For this triangle PQR, base is QR and PS is the height. For this triangle APT, base is PT, height is AM. For this triangle ABC, if you are taking AB as a base, then you cannot say that CA is the height. We have to extend this BA and then we have to draw perpendicular from this point C on this extended segment or line. If AB is the base, then you should say this perpendicular CD is the height. Same thing here for triangle APQ and triangle PQB. See here, APQ and PQB. If base for AQP is AP, then this should be the height drawn from Q. And for triangle PBQ, if PB is the base, then same should be the height as we discussed earlier. If AB is the base, then this CD is the height. Similarly, if PB is the base here, then altitude should be drawn from this point Q, which is perpendicular extended on segment BP. BP हमें बढ़ाना पड़ेगा और BP सेगमेंट BP पर पॉइंट Q से हमें परपेंडिकुलर डालना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. So we can say that area triangle APQ upon area triangle PBQ should be equal to AP upon PB as height is common, and area triangle APQ upon area triangle PQC should be equal to AQ upon QC because height is common. Ratios of the areas of triangle should be equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. Area upon area should be equal to base upon base. Area upon area should be equal to base upon base because heights are common. Now, segment PQ is common base of triangle PQB and PQC. This is triangle PQB and this is triangle PQC. PQ is the common base and therefore altitude which are drawn from this point B and point C on this common base are also equal because the lines are parallel. The perpendicular distance should be equal. We know that between two parallel lines, perpendicular distance is always equal. Therefore, we can say that triangle PQB and triangle PQC have equal heights. As base PQ is common, heights are also equal. Therefore, areas of triangle PQB and PQC are also equal. Now, from Roman 1, 2 and 3, we can have area triangle APQ upon area triangle PQB should be equal to area triangle APQ upon area triangle PQC because numerator is already equal. We have proved that PQB and PQC is also equal. Therefore, these two ratios are equal. Now, APQ upon PQB is nothing but AP upon PB and APQ upon PQC is AQ upon QC. Hence the theorem. Once again, we can see that if we want to prove that AP upon PB equal to AQ upon QC, we have to prove that this ratio should be equal to this ratio. Here we can see the numerator is equal. PQB and PQC are not equal. Let us see the triangles PQB and PQC. For both the triangles, PQ is the base, and as the triangles are situated between two parallel lines, their heights are also equal. As base is equal, base is common and heights are equal, ratios of triangle PQB and triangle PQC should be same. Area of triangle PQB and triangle PQC are equal. Therefore, this denominator is also equal here. Therefore, these two ratios are equal. That means area triangle APQ upon area triangle PQB, we can write it as equal to area triangle APQ upon area triangle PQC. And for next step, we can write AP upon PB equal to AQ upon QC. This is the theorem of basic proportionality. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.